Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to check out the top 3 stick vacuums. In no particular order, here we go. The Tineco Pure One S12, smart cordless stick vacuum cleaner. I had heard of this excellent brand before, but I've never actually heard anybody say it out loud. I've only ever seen it written down, so I actually had to look up the pronunciation. And I was able to find the answer in the product's Q&A. So stick around, I'll check out some other information from this section later. Anyway, this product has 319 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Nice. It's metallic gray and battery powered at 21.6 volts DC. It features iLoop smart sensor technology that senses hidden dirt and debris and automatically adjusts suction power in real time, extending runtime up to 100 minutes. The ultra high performance brushless motor provides up to 6 times more powerful suction for super multi-surface cleaning power. And the S12 Pro X model includes LED hard floor soft roller power brush, which is ideal for wood, tile, and other hard floor surfaces. It easily converts to a handheld vacuum with versatile attachments. So the Pro X package includes direct drive LED multitasker power brush, a mini power brush, pre-filters, automatic pre-filter cleaning tool, a 2-in-1 dusting brush, crevice tool, flexible long crevice tool, plus a full-size LED hard floor soft roller power brush. A flexible extension hose, and a multi-angle folding tube. And when I was looking through the Q&A earlier, I saw this question, which I thought was worth bringing up. The question is this good for lightweight rugs or low-pile rugs? My current stick vacuum grabs and doesn't let go. And the answer, yes, it does fine on our low-pile rugs. You can manually adjust the suction, but I usually leave it on auto, and it does fine. We have a combination of tile and rugs, and it works fine on either. I've been pleased with how well it does, and the attachments help me get in every possible spot. There you go, the Dyson V7 Motorhead cordless stick vacuum cleaner, seen here in fuchsia. It's got over 6,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. It stands at 49 inches tall, is cord-free and hassle-free, has powerful suction, up to 30 minutes runtime when using a non-motorized tool. Also has a detachable battery. It's lightweight and versatile for easy home cleaning. Has an instant release trigger, which means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Takes about 3.5 hours for a full charge. Has nice stiff nylon bristles to really get into that carpet and capture deep down dirt. And it sports hygienic bin emptying, so no need to touch the dirt. It also quickly transforms to a handheld vacuum to clean all around your home and car. And don't forget, Dyson makes a lot of other interesting vacuums as well, so if this one doesn't suit your needs, don't forget to check out the other ones. Now let's check out a helpful review from Yoda Flame called "You Will Feel Like a Cleaning Ninja." This thing is so convenient. My apartment is much cleaner now because I can just grab this thing and fly over my floors, rather than hauling out the vacuum cleaner and having to plug it in 3 different places because the cord doesn't reach. The swivel is just genius, and the suction is really good. The EUREKA Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a high-efficiency, powerful digital motor with LED headlights. It's a very convenient stick and handheld vacuum. With almost 11,000 ratings on Amazon, it weighs in at 4.3 out of 5 stars. Solid. And if you're looking for a little variation on this model, you can also get it in the Hyper Clean and Premium varieties, so check out the listing. So this model has efficient cordless cleaning, powered by the latest motor technology. The Rapid Clean makes cleaning convenient and thorough. 40 minutes of long-lasting runtime. Easily switch to max power on fingertip controls to increase suction for better cleaning on carpets and rugs. The Easy Rest feature allows you to take a break and safely prop up the vacuum on countertops and furnitures. And it can also reach under furniture while laying completely flat. And LED headlights have bright beams, so that way you can see dust and debris that might otherwise have been missed, and it makes cleaning under the furniture much easier. Now let's hear what a verified purchaser has to say. I had looked for about 2 weeks at several vacuums before ordering this one. I was very pleased because it did everything that it said it would do. I would highly recommend this EUREKA to anyone that is looking for a lightweight, cordless, and powerful vacuum cleaner. I use it on my laminate floors, tile floors, and my indoor-outdoor carpet. It picks up the trash the first time you go over the floor, and it stays charged between 35 and 45 minutes, which is enough time to vacuum my entire house. I also like the fact that it goes under my chairs and sofa with ease. There you go. Pick up this great EUREKA vacuum today on Amazon Prime. You get free shipping and free delivery, and you're gonna love it.